You are going to love the 2018 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level. From its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, security system, fog lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.